We'll guide you through how to fix a content warning for adult content on X. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
This particular settings is easier to change from the X website rather than the mobile app. So just open your browser in your mobile phone or desktop and search for X login. And just open the first website and log in with your ID. And as you can see, I have successfully logged in with my ID. And after logging in with your ID, just click on More at the left hand side and click on Settings and Privacy. From here, just click on Privacy and Safety and click on Content You See. And in this section, you will see an option that says Display media that may contain sensitive content. Make sure to toggle this on, and after this option is enabled like so, this setting allows X to show posts that may contain sensitive or adult content without hiding them behind warning. Once you enable this option, the change should be saved automatically. You can refresh the page just to confirm that the setting is still being turned on. And after this is turned on, it will be synced to your mobile app also. And that's how you fix the content warning for adult or sensitive content on X. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.